Hello friends, now I am going to tell you how to recovery deleted mails in Google, Gmail accounts. Okay, now I am going to delete this email. So just mark this mail and click on delete button. Okay, now the mail is deleted. So now I am going to go to the trash folders. Then you can see the deleted email here. So if you want to restore this email, again you can select this email and click on this move to button. Then you can see the your folders in your inbox. So I just click on spam, so inbox. Yeah, now you can see the deleted email. Again, these techniques you can easily use to restore deleted email. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can comment below.